Hi guys, welcome to Practice Lab. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem which was asked in Cognizant Interview. The candidate had 2 years of experience working as a Java developer, and apart from Java, he was having knowledge about Spring Boot and REST APIs as well. When the candidate solved this problem, he was selected and he was offered a CTC of 7.5 LPA. Now, let me explain what was the problem statement. So, he was asked to find all the numbers starting with 1 from the given list of numbers. And for that, he was asked to use Java 8 features. Okay, if you see this is going to be the input list, and in this list, you can see there are 3 numbers who are starting with 1, 10, 13, and 17. And this is what we need as an output. To solve this, let me show you how to do this. So here you can see I have written a class find numbers starting with 1, and inside that I have written a main method which is going to be starting point for our program execution. Now let me declare the list of numbers. So I will create a list, and this list is coming from java.util, and I need to declare this list of numbers, so I'm going to use integer. Now I will declare a variable to store these list numbers, and to create that list, what I will do, I will use arrays.addList method, and I will provide the numbers which we have there in the problem set. So I will copy these numbers and paste it here. So here it will create a list of numbers. Arrays.addList method can be used to create a list of numbers, and that list will be stored into this variable. Now we got the list. Now we need to find the numbers who are starting with 1. Okay, and for that I have to use Java 8 feature. So there is a feature which is available in Java 8, which is stream API. Okay, now to convert this list into stream, I'm going to use stream method. So this stream method will convert the given list into a stream, and then what I will do, I will convert that each number from the list into a stream. So for that I will use a map function, and by using this map function I will try to convert that number into a string. So for that, what I will do, I will simply convert this number into a string by appending an empty space. After that, what I will do, I will filter all the numbers who are starting with 1. So for that, I'm going to use filter function, and this filter function takes a predicate. This predicate is nothing but a condition. Okay, now I need to provide a condition such that the number will start with 1. So I need to identify the numbers which are starting with 1. For that, I need to write the condition. So the condition is going to be such s dot starts with. So this start with function takes a parameter which is going to be the prefix, and this prefix is going to be 1 because we need to identify all the numbers which are starting with 1. So this s dot starts with will check if the number is starting with 1. If the number is starting with 1, then it will be filtered. Okay, and then I need to print all these numbers, and to print all these numbers I'm going to use system.out.println, and to iterate over all these numbers I'm going to use for each. So for each method will iterate all the numbers which are filtered, and here I'm going to provide action as a system.out.println to print all the numbers. Okay, this will print all the numbers on the console. So let me explain you what I did. So here we declared a list of numbers which we got in the problem statement. After that, I need to convert that list into a string. For that, I used stream function. Then I converted all the numbers into a string by using a map function, and then I filtered all the numbers which are starting with 1 by using filter and starts with function. This start with function checks whether the number is starting with 1, whether the given string is starting with 1 or not. And then I used for each to iterate over the filtered numbers, and used system.out.println method to print the numbers on the console. Okay, now I'm done with the code. Now let me run this code and show you the output. So right click, run as Java application. So if you see, I'm getting 10, 13, and 17, which is expected output. Okay guys, so that's it from this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. That will motivate us to create more videos like this. Thank you. Bye-bye.